Hello and welcome back to the channel and episode 2 of Learning Canva. So this is an overview of Canva. In today's episode we will learn how to explore around the website and how to begin to create some amazing easy designs. So let's explore without wasting any time. Once you are logging in, you can see I have already logged in with my user ID. You will see this home page, dashboard page, you can say. The dashboard has a range of sections, menus and different buttons, and we will try to look at all of them. Okay, so these are the buttons. Okay, you have home, you have projects, you have templates, you have brand, apps and dream lab. Home page, let's go to the project. Since it's a new account and we have not yet created any projects, so this tab is empty. Once you start on creating your new projects, you can see all your projects will be saved here, and then you can filter with all these filter options. Then you go to the templates. This is the best option I can say, where you can explore around and see a lot of options, like you have social media, print, product, business, education, video and marketing. Let's say you want something called newsletter kind of templates, so you should go to the marketing. Okay, and just come down and you can see browse by category. You have business cards, flyers, logos, posters, and yes, here you have the newsletter. Click on that and you will get a lot of templates for your newsletter, and few of them, not few, many of them are free of cost. Wherever you see this pro sign, it's for upgrade, and for all others are actually available. All these things are available for your free account. So like that, you need to explore around. Like, let's go back to template and click on social media and come down. You can see the category. You have Instagram post, you have Instagram stories, Instagram reels, Facebook post, you have Facebook cover, Facebook ad, your stories, Pinterest and everything, LinkedIn, animated social media, Twitter and everything. So like that, you need to explore around and you can see. For education, let's say you are a student or a teacher, then you have a lot of options over here, the templates and everything. So classroom templates and ready to teach lessons, and in case you are creating anything, browse high quality education templates. So everything is actually for you to explore around, and it's a huge one, guys. Like, you need to explore, and if you have any specific questions, you can just comment on my video. I will try to answer all of them. And then okay, there is a brand tab here, but that is for pro, so I'm not going to touch that for now. So there is a app button over here. So app button meaning all the applications that can be collaborated with Canva is actually here. So you can see all your trendings app and everything, which all you can actually link with Canva and start working. This will make your work really easier if Canva is your day-to-day tool. So yeah, and Dream Labs also I'm not going to touch now, because it is something like you are going to inspired by few of the ideas given. Okay, and let's go back to the home page, and you can see there are setting tab. Okay, and one notification tab, and down there is a question mark which says ask Canva. So this question mark will actually take you to the help center, where you can ask for any help. And if you see the setting icon, this will take you to the account settings. This notifications actually will take you to the notification. Right now it's a new account, so no notifications are actually here. So once you get new notification, that you can just click here and see. And once you click on setting tab, as I say, it will take you to the account settings, so where you can change, edit and many things. Let's go back, and there is something called create design here in the left side of the screen. Once you click that, it's for you to start creating your own design in Canva. And last but not the least, a logo, which also will navigate you to the more setting. Logo meaning this logo, your name logo. if you click on this also, it will navigate you for the more settings and all. So this is the basic overview and how you will explore the templates and everything. Like, let me just give you an example. Let's say you have a nice and beautiful logo to create for your YouTube channel. So how you are going to search, like click on logo here in the search bar, just type logo, and can you see a lot of if you click on see all, you see a lot of logo from which you can get an inspiration, or if you want to create similar, just click on any of the logo and try editing. So make sure wherever this sign is there, you cannot use if you don't upgrade. Otherwise all other logos are for your use. You can just click on that and click on start editing. Okay, let's say we will, and also you have create blank from scratch also you can create. Let's say we will click on this. Okay, customize this template, meaning you can customize the text, you can customize the picture and everything. So click on customize. Okay, so yeah, it is actually showing you the tutorial. Add text, open the text tab to add text to your design or use the keyboard shortcut T. Okay, upload your own image. To add your own picture, open the upload tab or drag and drop them to the canvas from your desktop, meaning you can here click on upload file and it will ask you to upload from your desktop or laptop. Okay, and you can upload image, you can upload video, you can also upload some audio. You can also drag your media to upload and connect with any of the account or apps where whatever you are seeing here. So here let's say I want to change this logo, so just click on this. Okay, just double click and let's say I want to change it to S. Yeah, it is now changed. And this text also I want to change. Let's say I will just say Sonali. I will also mention my channel name. That's all guys. See that your logo is created. Okay, got it. So if you want to download and use it, click on share. Come down, there is an option called download. Click on download. It is a suggested file type is PNG. You can also save it as JPG, PDF, whatever format you want. Okay, let it be PNG. Click on download. See, it is downloading. Now it is been created. Let me just open it and show it to you. See, it is ready for use. It is that simple, you know. It just take 1 or 2 minutes and you can easily create your own logo for any of your channels or Instagram or any of your brands, anything. So what are you waiting for? Just go back and just explore around Canva and create your own designs or logo. If there is any issue, just let me know. I will try to answer all your questions. Please comment below. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel so that if any new video I will upload, the notification will goes to you ASAP. So that's all for today guys. Let's see you all in episode number 3. If you have any specific questions, please comment below. Thank you so much.